Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your online Quran teacher Anas Shamsi, here again with a new video and with a new lesson. Today we are going to learn how to perform and how to learn to use the Tanween. What are the Tanween? What is the Tanween? Tanween is the combination of double Fatha, double Kasra and double Damma. Double Fatha, double Kasra and double Damma are called Tanween. In this lesson, practice to do the Ikhfa. I'm going to tell you what is the Ikhfa. Hiding the noise of Mim or Noon partially in the nose is called Ikhfa. Whenever Tanween is followed by throatal letters, don't do Ikhfa. There are 6 throatal letters which I'm going to cover in a separate video. So be sure to watch that video as well. But today we are going to do the Tanween and I'm going to tell you how to perform them and how to use them with all the letters. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we are going to use the Tanween with Mim here. Mim double Fatha man, Mim double Kasra min, Mim double Damma mun, man, min, mun. As you can see, when I use the double Fatha with the Mim here, the end result, the end pronunciation was man. Same goes for min here and mun as well. Man, min, mun. Ba double Fatha ban, Ba double Kasra bin, Ba double Damma bun, Ban, bin, bun. Waw double Fatha wan, Waw double Kasra win, Waw double Damma mun, wun, wan, win, wun. Fa double Fatha fan, Fa double Kasra fin, Fa double Damma fun, Fan, fin, fun. Sa double Fatha san, Sa double Kasra sin, Sa double Damma sun, san, sin, sun. Zal double Fatha dan, Zal double Kasra din, Zal double Damma zun, zan, zin, zun. Za double Fatha dhan, Za double Kasra win, Za double Damma dun, zan, zin, zun. Za double Fatha zan, Za double Kasra zin, Za double Damma zun, zan, zin, zun. Sin double Fatha san, Sin double Kasra sin, Sin double Damma sun, Tan, sin, sun. Swad double Fatha sun, Swad double Kasra sun, Swad double Damma sun, Swan, sin, sun. Ta double Fatha tan, Ta double Kasra tin, Ta double Damma tun, Tan, tin, tun. Dal double Fatha dan, Dal double Kasra din, Dal double Damma dun, dan, din, dun. Ta double Fatha tan, Ta double Kasra tin, Ta double Kasra tun, Ta double Damma tun, tan, tin, tun. Sorry for that. Ra double Fatha ran, Ra double Kasra rin, Ra double Damma run, ran, rin, run. Noon double Fatha nan, Noon double Kasra nin, Noon double Damma nun, nan, nin, nun. Lam double Fatha lan, Lam double Kasra lin, Lam double Damma lun, lan, lin, lun. Wad double Fatha wan, Wad double Kasra win, Wad double Damma dun, Wan, ذن ظن يا double فتحة ين يا double كسرة ين يا double ضمة ين 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 شين double فتحة شن شين double كسرة شن شين double ضمة شن 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 جيم double فتحة جن جيم double كسرة جن جيم double ضمة جن 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 काफ डबल फतहा कन काफ डबल कसरा किन काफ डबल दम्मा कुन कन किन कुन कॉफ डबल फतहा कन कॉफ डबल कसरा किन कॉफ डबल दम्मा कुन कन किन कुन खौ डबल फतहा खन खौ डबल कसरा किन खौ डबल दम्मा कुन खन खिन खुन गैन डबल फतहा गन गैन डबल कसरा गिन गैन डबल दम्मा गुन गन किन कुन हा डबल फतहा हन हा डबल कसरा हिन हा डबल दम्मा हुन हन हिन हुन आइन डबल फतहा अन आइन डबल कसरा इन आइन डबल दम्मा उन अन इन उन हा डबल फतहा हन हा डबल कसरा हिन हा डबल दम्मा हुन हन हिन हुन हमजा डबल फतहा अन हमजा डबल कसरा इन हमजा डबल फतहा उन अन इन उन Okay. This concludes our lesson for today. Be sure to practice all of these letters, and inshallah we're going to continue on with another lesson on another video. Be sure to learn this properly. So if you like this, then be sure to subscribe our channel and be sure to click on the notification button so you would be able to get all of the updates of our channel, and be sure to share it with the others so they can also learn how to use all of these methods while they're practicing the Quran. So till the next time, Assalamu alaikum.